Here, congratulations, new tutorial from 3G Tech. Into that video tutorial, we'll talk about rectangle. The rectangle is a phenomenon that commonly used in JD Paint. The shortcut to get rectangle is Ctrl T, or you can click here. See, you can get rectangle, or Control T. Okay, Control T. There are two kind of rectangle you can generate. See, first one is rectangle, normal. Just click somewhere, and next click is any other point, like that, like that, like that, like that, like this. Simple. And second one is round rectangle. There are two kind of round, inward and circular, outer. For example, if you move the cursor, you'll get round type rectangle, and if you shift, hold down the shift key, then you'll get inward rectangle. For example, I have one hold down the shift key, therefore you're gonna get kind of outer round rectangle. See, like that, kind of round rectangle. But if you hold down shift key, you're gonna see, click here and shift, hold on shift, see, hold down shift key, you're gonna get the rectangle inward, like that. Okay, okay, thank you so much.